Good morning, students. In my previous class, I solved the short question of second chapter of your course book, English course book, Traveling with Grandfather's Jew. Today, we are going to solve question number 6, and the first question of this category is: do you think the animal enjoyed their train journey? Give reasons for your answer. क्या आप ऐसा सोचते हैं कि जो भी जानवर ट्रेन यात्रा में उस परिवार के साथ थे, उन्होंने अपनी यात्रा को पूरा एंजॉय किया? अगर किया तो रीजन दीजिए, नहीं किया तो भी कारण रीजन दीजिए. नाउ the answer of this question is: the animals enjoyed their train journey. As you know, all the animals enjoyed their train journey. Either popoe, pet parrot, squirrel, chimps, python, snake, or teenage tiger, Timothy. Now the answer is: the animals enjoyed their train journey. Timothy, the teenage tiger, had a separate berth like human, so he felt very कंफर्टेबल. बिल्कुल आदमी की तरह. जैसे हम आप जाते हैं ट्रेन में तो हमारा स्पेशल बर्थ होता है जहां हम आराम से बैठ सके, सो सके. ठीक उसी तरह तिमुठी के लिए भी एक स्पेशल बर्थ था. चिप्स, एज यू नो, चिप्स इज स्मॉल लिटिल squirrel, गिलहरी. Chips, the squirrel, found that the train was paradise for, बिल्कुल उसके लिए स्वर्ग था. Why? Because he had no difficulty for food, as almost the passenger had roasted peanut. Python also enjoyed to go out of his compartment and made some nuisance. क्योंकि वो भी निकल गया था पाइथन अजगर, और जाके वो वॉश बेसिन में कर्ल करके बिल्कुल बैठा हुआ था. तो सबने इंजॉय किया. नाउ योर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज: pick out a few humorous incidents of this story. Pick out some humorous incidents of this story. The answer is: a few humorous incidents from the story where Popoe, the pet parrot, objected the vendors and the passengers poking their hands in through the window, and he also had dipped 2 fingers and pinched the ear of ticket inspector. another humorous incident was related to python. In the midnight, there was a loud noise made by the passengers because the python had curled up in the wash basin of the toilet. That's why the passengers couldn't go into the toilet. And now, question number 3. Now, question number 4. I escaped. Question number 3. So, right here, question number 4. Write a character sketch of Aunt Mabel. Character sketch of Aunt Mabel. This is the type of question which has been asked in your board examination. Character sketch. Aunt Mabel. Okay. The answer is Aunt Mabel was a simple lady. Aunt Mabel was a simple lady. Simple woman. She was a school teacher. If you have read the chapter, you knew about her. She was a school teacher in Lucknow. She was a beautiful lady, but terrified of all reptiles. She was a beautiful lady, but feared, terrified, weak-hearted of all reptiles, especially snakes. She was a lover of good and delicious food. She was a lover of, she was fond of a good and delicious food which was made by or cooked by narrator's grandmother. नरेटर के ग्रैंड मदर के द्वारा बनाया गया भोजन या कोई भी आइटम उसे बहुत पसंद था। और याद कीजिए आप, why she kept the tiffin from the platform when she had to receive them on Lucknow platform. She kept the tiffin because she knew that in tiffin there is something which was made by grandmother. Now that is the end of your question number C. And after this you have some vocabulary section, and in vocabulary section you have prefix and suffix. Remember, when I taught you English grammar portion, I taught you prefix and suffix. I also taught you affix. Affix and the part of affix, I mean prefix and suffix. So you have to do that vocabulary section by your own. This is too easy for you. And in grammar section, here is pronouns. Pronouns was also taught by me when I taught you grammar. What is pronoun? What are the kinds of pronoun? With example. So, all the grammar section will be solved by your own. Now, this is the end of your second chapter of English course book. And whatever I think, this is the end of your first exam. The syllabus of your first exam, I mean 2 chapter of English course book, 2 chapter of English literature book have been finished. If you want didn't understand any chapter either in English course book or English literature book and English grammar also, please, because I have no WhatsApp number, I have no WhatsApp today due to some problem. So please call me on this number. Call me this number and I will try to teach you again that particular topic or chapter. Now note the number. Eight 8651044356. I repeat it once again. 8651044356. Thank you.